Hey guys, so there is another rugged phone that is called the Doogee V30T. The specs of this phone is, let's just say, almost identical to that of the V31 GT. But in this video, I'll be pointing out the differences between the Doogee V30T and the Doogee V31 GT. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So one of the differences between the V30T and the V31 GT is the Android operating system that both devices run. The Doogee V30T shipped with the Android 12 operating system, while the Doogee V31 GT, because it's a new rugged phone, ships with the latest Android 13. So that's one of the differences between this device and the Doogee V31 GT. Another difference is the design. Both devices have unique designs. Although the design of the V31 GT looks a lot more stylish and more modern than the design of the V30T, but I'm being subjective. Another difference between both devices is in the camera department. You see, the Doogee V30T has a 108MP primary camera. It is the Samsung HM2 sensor, followed by a 20MP night vision camera and a 16MP perhaps ultra wide camera, while the Doogee V31 GT has a 50MP primary sensor. It is the Sony IMX766 sensor, followed by a 24MP night vision camera and an 8MP fusion camera. So these are the differences between the V31 GT and the V30T. Every other specs of both devices are the same. I just wanted to point this out because the V30T isn't very popular. I think I made a video about it, but I cannot really remember. But it is also one of Doogee's most powerful rugged devices of 2023. I'd like to hear your thoughts about these two rugged phones from Doogee, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.